Hello everybody, just a little video of me putting some more bits and pieces onto my mx5 before its suspension and everything else is rebuilt. So yeah, just stick with this video and you'll see what that thumbnail is all about. And it's not a bit of clickbait, it is a real thing on this car. So yeah, just have a watch, have a subscribe, leave us a couple of comments, a like maybe, check out some of my other videos, and just enjoy. This is the cleaned floor. Rubbed it down and painted it. Oh, nice and clean again under here. Ready for the subframe to go back in. So yeah, it's pretty nice and green now. So looking pretty good. And here's our heat shield. It took off, it was just totally rusty. Just rubbed it down, painted it with some heat resistant silver paint. Some nice bolts in there, just to give it a nice tidy look. Ready for the exhaust. So the subframe's back in, nice and painted. Diff's back in. Yes, it was phenomenally hard to put that back in, but just want to remind everybody, when you get to put the diff back in and the drive shaft, well, prop shaft even, remember to thread lock the nuts and bolts and torque them up. They're 20 newton meters. So yeah, just remember to torque these up, because this is the last thing you want to come undone while driving. So originally this didn't look like there was a gasket on there, but there definitely is, and that's the condition it's in. So yeah, make sure you change your gaskets. Oh, I mean, look at it. There's nothing left of that at all. Surprised it was still working. Yeah, so there you go, people. Change your gaskets. So we got the exhaust back on there. I don't think that is the original. I think it's a repo of the original, because the way this chrome tailpipe was put on, I do not think Mazda would have done that. Literally, it's just screwed on. I don't think Mazda would have done that. But it suffered with the pitting on this, because it's just been left. Polished it up a little bit, and it's just come up better than I thought it would have done. Look at this, look at the green. And where it was sat for ages. So as soon as we're back on 4 wheels, this thing's getting clean, I tell you that. Right, and we're getting there. Let's continue putting this thing back together. I'd just like to share with everybody some of the amazing accessories in this mx5 of mine. We've got the chrome inserts. We've also got chrome gear knob. Again, I do not think this is standard at all. Let me know in the comments if anyone's seen a gear knob like this. But I'm going to say it's probably the same as this. And it is absolutely hideous. I'm hoping that this isn't really screwed in, because otherwise I'm going to need a new center console. But it's this thing that does it. What is this? It does have a pièce de résistance though. I turn the lights off, turn the mx5 on, wait for the siren to go out, and turn the side lights on. What is that? I mean, is this cool? Is this not cool? Is this a real thing? I'm telling you now though, it's definitely got to go. Definitely got to go that. I've never seen anything like it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start to take this out and we'll see what we're left with afterwards. So that's all the screws taken out and it's very loose now. But you can just see it, there's a wire coming up the shaft, coming up the shifter to the shift knob's top. Still doesn't seem to want to come off now. What's the point in this piece here being attached if it doesn't come off? It's a total mystery. It is chrome though. Someone's gripped it with some mole grips at the bottom to try and tighten it up. Kind of ruined it, but I think the whole thing was pretty disgusting to start with, so yeah, so let's see if I can get any further with it. So the gear knob really isn't moving at all, so I've just got into taking all these screws out. They are pretty long, so they have definitely gone through this center console, which is going to be pretty annoying really, because I'm going to have to get a new one. So literally we've got the last screw. Do you hear that? It's made out of metal. It really is a plate of metal. It's just a big chrome piece of metal. I'm pretty sure that this is an old like Halford's brand, I think. Richbrook, maybe Halford sold them, I'm not too sure. But look at that, look, that did not need to be put into there. Did not need to ruin that, did it? Ruined. But yeah, look, it didn't even serve a purpose, it just looks fancy. Didn't even do a thing. What was the point in the whole of that? Nothing. Gator's split there, so we'll need a new gator. But yeah. Shame, that absolute shame. No, I will oh yeah, I've just noticed that, look, there's a little dimple there. So that means something's screwed in from the back and it's just reached the surface. So I will press on and we'll see if we can get this hideous thing off. Well, it eventually came off. They absolutely butchered the things, the Allen bolts that were in the end that hold it down, absolutely butchered it into the thread, so I hope that thread is savable. But yeah, look at that, it's just horrible looking. And the wire, oh my god, it broke. Even though it's this long. So yeah, so I'm going to have to take the centre console out just to find out where they wired it up to. I dare say it's just wired up to the illumination on the back of the radio. And it'll give me a chance to change the radio at the same time. So I'll probably just leave that here now, see if I can just clean this up and get a gear knob on it. Yeah, let's see if we can get a gear knob on it. Let's go get a gear knob. So I couldn't find a gear knob. The only one I could find, annoyingly, was I've got a Too Fast, Too Furious Paul Walker gear knob that was supposed to be out of his Evo. And I'm not putting that in here, it looks stupid. So I'm going to leave it up to the guys and the girls to comment what What gear knob should I get for the mx5? Comment, put some links in my comment section as well of what you think should go on there. What have you got shifter wise? What boot have you got on there? Let me know, and then I'll go through it all and we'll see what options we've got. Maybe I'll only get one comment and one person will put it down, and I'll end up with whatever that one person says. Something stupid like out here somewhere. That would be ridiculous, but no thank you. Something nice and subtle, something that will just sit here, something that's nice and weighted. And then we'll come back to this. I think that's going to be it for today. Strategy of my ruined centre console. Thanks to, it wasn't even the previous owner that did this, it was the owner before that. Because he said it was like that when he got it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, check out my other videos, and yeah, leave us a comment and a like and tell me what's the best gear knob for this car.